Here we go, we got the Meta glasses. These are the Meta Fury frame in racing green, lens light blue Atlantic, charging case forest. Just have to take this little out of there. Use inside that case. That out of there. The overall look, pretty cool. They look good. You know, I'm not a Instagram person. I'm a photographer, and I started seeing people on Instagram making videos that say, I'm a photographer and I took this picture, and they make videos of the pictures. That's when you lost me on Instagram. I was out. I switched to BlueSky, which I love a lot more. You can grow it as much as you want to put into it, kind of. Instagram, you're stagnant unless you were paying them. You know, what does that mean with these? Why do I have these? I don't know. I don't know why I have these, but I got them, and you're gonna see me try them out, and I'll tell you my honest opinion about them. I mean, they look great. I don't really see the green color in here, but my lighting is a little funky right now. I'm just setting up a temporary little spot for video of these. And you need to scan this code in on the box, and then you're quickly led to the Meta AI app, which you must get with a few push-ins. Remove glasses and key. Key what? We're not restarting the glasses. Oh, something's happening. Something's happening. Wow. New view of the glasses again. Continue. Put those dang glasses on. Capture. Hey, man. Cat back on. I just captured you.